Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be seeing some MCQs on odd pair numerals part 2. In the previous MCQs we have already seen what is part 1. Now let us start with some MCQs on it. The first MCQ says that 45, 27, option B is 30 and 18, option C is 20 and 10, and option D is 15 and 12. So as usual, let us go for the pattern or the sequence. Option A is 45 and 27. If you see this pair, we can say that 45 and 27 is divisible by 3. Option B is 30 and 18. Again, this pair is divisible by 3. But if we see option C, which is 20 and 10, we can say that this pair is not divisible by 3. Option D is 15, 12. Again, this pair is divisible by 3. Hence, options A, B and D are the pairs which are divisible by the number 3, except for option C. Thus, we can say that since the pair is not divisible by 3, this is the odd man out. Let us look at the MCQ number 2. It says 16 and 15. So let us find out a specific pattern. If we see the option A, which is 6 and 15, we can say that 6 into 2 plus 3, which is 12 plus 3, is giving me the number 15. Let us check out if the similar pattern B is in option B, C and D. Option B gives me 21 into 2 plus 1, which is giving me 43. Let us check if the similar pattern is giving me option C and option D, which is the first number multiplied by 2 plus 1, which will give you the second number. So looking closely, we can see that option C and option D is following the pattern of first number into 2 plus 1, which will give you the second number. So we can say that option A is not following this pattern, thus it is the odd man out. Let us look at the next MCQ, which is 15 is to 46. So if you had seen the previous slide, we had seen that we had a specific pattern, which was first number multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is giving you the third number. In this question, again, we are following the similar pattern, which is first number multiplied by number 3 plus 1. So if you see the first option, we get 15 multiplied by 3 plus 1, which is giving you 46. Let us see if the rule implies to the next options. So as of now, option A, B and C are following the pattern. Option B is nothing but 8 is to 33. So if you see this, the option D is not following the pattern. Thus, we can say that option D is the right answer. Let us see the next MCQ. It says 15 is to 63. So if we break this, we can say that 15 into 4 is giving you 60 and 60 plus 3 is giving you 63. So we have already seen such kind of patterns. The second option is 22 is to 91. So if I go for the similar pattern, I understand that 22 into 4 plus 3 is giving me 88 plus 3, which is nothing but 91. Let's see option C and option D. If we see options C and D, we can understand that 23 into 4 plus 3 is giving you 95. But if we see option D, we can say that 31 is to 97 is nothing but 31 into 4 plus 3, which is not giving you the correct answer. Thus, option D is the right answer. Now, let us look at the next MCQ. It says that 133 and 98, 150 and 115, 182 and 140, and 188 and 153. Let us check out if we get some patterns. If I see the second number in option A, which is 98, and if I add 35 to it, I get the answer to be as 133. So what I'm doing is I'm adding the number 35 to the second number to get the first number. Option B is 150 and 115. So if we add 35 to 115, we get the answer as 150. So is it following the pattern, students? क्या ये pattern follow कर रहा है? मैं डेफिनेटली कह सकता हूँ कि ऑप्शन ए एंड ऑप्शन बी एक पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हैं. बट अगर मैं ऑप्शन सी की ओर देखूँ, विच इज 182-140, if I add 140 plus 35, I get the answer to be as 175, which is not the first number, which is 182. Let's see option D, which is 188 and 153. So if I add 153 plus 35, I get the answer to be as 188, which is giving the correct pattern. So I can say that option C is the right answer. Let us go for the next MCQ. Option A is 1438. Option B is 2439. Option C is 3238. And option D is 5, 3, 2 and 9. Let us check the solution. If I see option A and if I add all the digits to it, which is 1 plus 4 plus 3, I get the answer to be as 8, which is nothing but the fourth number. So what I've done is I've added the first number, the second number and the third number to get the fourth number. Secondly, I go for 2 plus 4 plus 3. So what is the answer to it? The answer is 9, which is nothing but the fourth digit. Option C is 3 plus 2 plus 3, which is giving me the number 8, and this is nothing but the fourth digit. And if I add 5 plus 3 plus 2, I get the answer to be as 8 plus 2, which is nothing but 10. So is it giving me the fourth digit? No, it is not giving me the fourth digit. Hence we can say that option D is the right answer. बढ़ते हैं next MCQ की ओर. Option A is 3, 9, 27. Option B is 5, 25 and 125. Option C is 7, 49 and 343. And option D is 9, 81 and 529. अगर मैं option A देखूं and if I say 3 into 9, how much does it give me? It gives me 27. So first number into second number is giving me the third number. Similarly, if I go for option B, I can say that 5 into 25 is giving me 125. Option C is 7 into 49, which is giving you 343. But if you look at option D, which is 9 into 81, this does not give me 529. Hence, I can say that since it is not following the pattern of first number into second number and that is equal to third number, we can say that option D is the right answer. Let us look at the next MCQ. It is 4, 16, 24 and 12, 2, 8, 4 and 16, 1, 4, 2 and 8, and option D is 3, 12, 6 and 24. Let us see the first option, which is 4, 16, 24 and 12, and let's try to reduce it to its lowest form. This will become 1, 4, 8 and 3. So option A, when reduced to its lowest form, is giving me 1, 4, 8 and 3. Let us see option B, which is 2, 8, 4 and 16. If I reduce it to the lowest form, I get 1, 4, 2 and 8. Option C is 1, 4, 2 and 8. So I cannot make any other change. And option D is 3, 12, 6 and 24. So let's reduce it. It comes as 1, 4, 2 and 8. So if we look at options B, C and D, we are getting the reduced form as 1, 4, 2, 8, unlike option A. Thus, I can say that option A is the odd man out or the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.